In this video, I want to take a step by step on how to link your Bybit address to the Azen network. Okay, so how you can link your wallet address and then your UID to the Azen airdrop to be eligible. So follow the step carefully so you won't miss out. The Azen network is going to be launching on the Bybit exchange, and you need to do these things in order to be eligible for the airdrop. How to participate? One, you need to open the Azen Hub app and then go to the TGE launchpad, register with your Bybit account using the Azen exclusive link, submit your UID and Ethereum address on the TGE launchpad page. Okay, click on the confirm and wait for the TGE airdrop to arrive. Okay, so make sure you follow all the step I'm gonna give in this video. Follow the step carefully so you won't make a mistake not being eligible. I want everyone to be eligible, so the first thing you need to do is to go straight to the description of this video and then click on the link right there. Once you click on the link in my description, let's go take it straight to this page where you will see amazing benefits of being part of this Azen network. Okay, so you can see right here, join today to unlock exclusive benefits. You can see one of the exclusive benefit is getting a 5,000 Azen token. Okay, getting 5,000 hex in token when you sign up. And secondly, you're going to be part of the daily giveaway, a massive 126,000 US dollars Zen Hive NFT prize pool. Okay, one of the benefits right here, which is the fund depend mining, where you're going to be part of those who will be sharing the 2 million US dollars pre TGE mining opportunity when the proof of contribution, which is the POC. All you need to do is to go straight and then click on the download Azen Hub right there. Okay, tap on it. Okay, so once you click on the Azen Hub download, it's going to take you straight to your Play Store. So the next thing you want to do, you want to click on the install button right there. It's just 28 MB. Okay, so tap on the install and then it's going to load up. After installation, all you need to do is to click on this open button right there. Tap on the open to open the AC network. Okay, so it's gonna load it straight to this page where you need to create an account. Okay, so if you already have an account, all you need to do is to click on the login with Google right there. Okay, so since you don't have an account, you need to go with the email registration right there. So it's gonna load you to this page where you need to enter your email and password. But since you don't have an account, you wanna go straight to the register button below. Tap on the register, and then the next you wanna do, you wanna enter your email address, and then you enter the verification code, which is the code that is going to be sent to your email, and then you enter your password and you click on the register button right there. So after you successfully created the account, this is how it's going to look like. Now the first thing you need to do is to go straight to this ending button right there. Once you tap on the heading button, it's gonna load it straight to this page. Now you can see daily checking right here. Okay, all you need to do is to click on the checking button to get your daily point. Alright, boom, you go see congrats, you go 10 points right there. So open the mystery box, and what we got right there, 1,094. And so click on the check. You can see right here it has been transferred to the balance. Now the next thing to do is to click on the claim button right here, because you registered with an email address, so you're gonna get 100 for that. Boom, congrats, 100 has been added. Now you can see linked, and then you need to link your Twitter account, your X account, to get 5,000 points. So you need to do is to link your X account, and also you need to join their Telegram channel to get 200 points. Okay, so you can do those ones by yourself. So now let's go, let's proceed on how to add your Bitget wallet address, okay, for this airdrop. So the next thing you want to do, you're going to see these adverts right here. Join the launchpad. Okay, so you need to click on this join the launchpad ads right here. Okay, this particular one. So you can see welcome to the TGE launchpad. So now you can link your gate.io or the Bybit. So for the fact that I already said Bybit from the beginning, I want to proceed with the Bybit. So if you want to use a gate.io, you can still follow the process of the Bybit so that you can understand better, and then boom, you get it done yourself. So Bybit users, all you need to do is to click on the Bybit address right there, and you need to input your wallet address and also the UID. This is what you're gonna do. First of all, go straight to your Bybit account, the exchange. Okay, don't go to the wallet, go to the exchange, not the Web3. So once you get to your Bybit, the first one, click on this profile button right here. Tap on the profile button. Once you get there, you'll see your UID under your username right here. Okay, so when I tap on this button to copy, you'll see copied successfully. Now I want to head back to, okay, so once you copy the UID, come back to the app and then paste it right there. Tap on the paste, and then now I want to go to the Bybit that I copy the address. So go back to Bybit. So the next one that you want to click on the wallet button below. Then the next one to do, you want to click on the deposit. You click deposit crypto. Okay, so once you click on the deposit crypto button, it's going to take you to this page. Now the next one to do is to click on the ETH right here. Okay, so we're submitting our Ethereum address. Okay, Ethereum deposit address. So click on the ETH. So you go select the Ethereum ERC20. You click on the copy to copy your address. You could see copy successfully. Now you want to return back to the airdrop app and then submit your wallet address. Okay, click and paste. Then the next one to do is to click on the confirm button, and then it's going to load up, and then boom, you go see successful. You can do the same to the gate.io to be eligible for both. So via this instruction, I know you have a better knowledge on how to get this done. So I know a lot of you will be asking, why are we using the Ethereum address, why not the Azen network address? Okay, the Azen network hasn't been launched yet. It's going to launch on the Ethereum network. So using the Ethereum network is still the same as using the Azen network. So once they launch, this address is still going to be the same as that of the Azen network. And if you look right there, it says submit your UID and then your Ethereum address on the TGE launchpad page. Okay, it doesn't say the Azen network address, it says the Ethereum address. So we're following instructions. All right, so that's what we did right there. We submitted our Ethereum address and then our UID. So that's all for this video. Further information will be dropped on this channel, so make sure you drop a like and also you subscribe so that whenever we upload a video you will be notified first. Also, if you have any question, you can just drop it straight in the comment section, so I'll reply all. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Cheers.